All right, welcome. Okay, do this is actually going to be the analysis of the few synthetic pairs that we're going to be looking at, what we're expecting of them today. And we're looking first at volatility 100. The volatility 100 has actually been on a down spiral, and we've talked about it on our Instagram, and I've talked about it also on the Telegram channel. So now both for the YouTube and for TikTok. So you're seeing this now. This volatility 100. Currently, the reason why we actually stick to the lower time frame is because we want to actually take advantage of our early opportunity. The market is down trend, and as you can see, there is a resistance that we have immediately. However, if you check on the 4 hours time frame, you will notice that the ranging seems so clear there that the market is currently at the range zone, and this is the trend line that we drew on 5 minutes. So you can see that the market is actually ranging between this region here and also the region here. So it's so clear that the market is sideways currently, and that is exactly what we were also noticing. That okay, since we have the resistance level, the support, it used to be support here, currently now at resistance now. We expect the market to give us an opportunity on lower time frame 5 minutes, like to break the trend and actually give a confirmation that's a breakout and retest, and we actually take advantage to actually sell. Okay, so let's remove this which you see on 4 hours. Okay, it's because it's on 4 hours compared to 5 minutes. So 5 minutes make it more clear by we actually pointing at the real resistance area, which used to be a support but currently at resistance. Now it's ideal for you to note that even though this is the current sideways market, if this market give you a breakout and retest and it's heading towards here, you can take advantage of a buy. Excuse me. You can take advantage of a buy. However, the market overall trend is sell. So even if you're buying, you're going to be much more careful. So we're expecting the market to drop all the way down to 16.0. All right. From around 16.8 down to 16.0. So it's still a sell trend. And don't forget, this volatility 75. This is the second most volatile pair that we have, most popular, the most traded among all the synthetic indices, which is week 75, as we fondly call it. Now we can see that the market is an uptrend. Okay, if you check on the daily time frame, it's so clear that the market is an uptrend currently. Okay, the market is already forming a pattern that we already have something like uh inverse head and shoulder. We have the first shoulder, the second shoulder. So we have this supposed to be the necklines here and here. Remember, it's shoulder doesn't have to be exactly perfect. And this is actually a typical one that is not perfect. So we're expecting the market to give a pullback and then rally all the way up. So if it comes to lower time frame like 1 hour, you might actually want to actually start buying around this region now, since we have this here now. So you want to start buying, even though the buying is a little bit late, you should have entered as early as here so that your stop loss can be a little tight, and you would have made sitting at $8 profit. All right, so let's go to crash 300. This crash 300 is one of the most volatile crash that we also have. And currently on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that this is actually the current resistant area. The market is overall sell. It's a or bear market, and we're expecting the market to get all the way first here, then back to this place and continue dropping. However, since it is a crash trade, if you're trading on a lower time frame, I think you need to be very careful, because if you over leverage, you can be stop out. So be careful, and the market's supposed to drop all the way to this level, then before it continues downward, or make a reversal for a pullback before continue downward. In any case, the market is a sell trend. And finally, we come to uh, jump 75, which is one of the most volatile of the jump pairs. And we can see on 1 hour time frame that the market actually have a resistance here, but close level now that we are looking at, we can see that the market is currently at a Q zone, and the market is actually forming a sideways market around this region. Okay, so what we want to do is not to jump into trade and assume. Even though this market is at a region, we want to see a momentum move, whether to the downside or to the upside, before we make a decision on whatsoever we want to do. Now, naturally, on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the market is sell trend. And if you check on the higher time frame, this daily time frame that we're switching on, you can see that the market still show clearly a sell trend market. Even though the market has been selling for how many months now? About years, you can see. I think since the time it started, sell, rally up, and continue selling. But the market is still on the sell trend. All right, so those are the four pairs that we want to look at, and I hope that you're actually going to take advantage of them, make good use of the opportunity. Like when the markets give you a breakout here, you take trade, or give you a breakout move, you take your trade. And we have said also concerning this, you can actually sell little, expecting the market to come to 9-0. And also, like we said, this market kept buying as expected, and this is expected to fall as a sell trend. All right, see you in the next video. Please like this video for us, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, both on TikTok and our YouTube page. Till I see you next time. Love you.